Most people get this wrong. They think cloud gaming is only about modern AA titles. But the surprising truth about Antstream Arcade is that it focuses on retro and classic games, giving you instant access to hundreds of old-school favorites on any device. Antstream Arcade is a cloud gaming service that streams games directly to your PC, console, or mobile device. You won't believe what happens next. You can play titles from the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s without downloads or installations. The platform also adds leaderboards, challenges, and achievements to make the retro experience more interactive. Getting started is simple. Sign up for a subscription, choose your device, and launch games directly from the app or web browser. Games run in the cloud, so performance depends on your internet speed. Fast connections give smooth gameplay, while slower connections may introduce lag. One advantage is accessibility. You don't need a high-end gaming PC to play classic games. Antstream Arcade also updates its library regularly, adding new titles and tournaments. Another plus is cross-platform play, allowing you to continue progress across devices. There are limitations. The platform is geared toward retro games, so it's not for modern AA releases. Subscription fees are monthly, and offline play isn't available. Internet stability is crucial for a good experience. In conclusion, Antstream Arcade is perfect for retro gaming enthusiasts who want to relive classic titles with modern cloud convenience. If you love old-school games and instant access, it's worth trying. Subscribe for more honest reviews to help you discover the best gaming platforms.